Hello viewers, today we're going to be trying to bring back the Histop, or the logo, on this fan. So this is a Lake Breeze branded fan. I'm making some progress. You can kind of see the Lake Breeze Histop there. I picked this up out of the trash quite a few years ago now, and the previous owner had painted the badge and the guard pretty sloppily, and I wanted to see if we can get the paint off the badge so that we can see the logo again, or the Histop. So I've been going at this for a little while, and I said, I should film this, because maybe there's other people that are wondering how to get paint off plastic, and I'm wondering how to get the stinking glare off this, but I'm not being successful in finding it out. So I've been using isopropyl alcohol and some melamine foam. Now, we got to be very careful in this case with the melamine foam, because I think that the melamine foam will also take off, maybe not instantaneously, but will eventually take off the logo itself along with the paint. So we have to be kind of delicate with this. Once we start getting the bulk of the paint off, we got to stop and switch over to the ticker towel. I think that we might actually be successful in cleaning this up. This isopropyl alcohol is very strong. I guess it's better cleaner than I have given it credit for in the past. Not that I've discredited it ever, I just didn't realize how good of a cleaner it was. This is probably going to take a long time. I think I'm going to go back to the melamine foam for a little while until we start getting closer. Once I've got the logo visible again, then we can go over the whole thing with the melamine foam more aggressively on the edges, because there's nothing to worry about coming off. But this is working. We're getting the logo to come back. We're also getting something else to come back too, which is the yellowed plastic. I guess that's probably why this was painted. Well, okay, that's pretty good. We're getting there. This is actually going much easier than I anticipated. The melamine foam is working a lot better, of course, but I'm definitely concerned that it'll start to actually take off the black ink that we want. So I think we're just about done using the melamine foam. I'll go over some of the outskirts again. Well, we're gonna have to switch to the ticker towel, I think, for the most part, to finish it up. Okay, I'm done using the melamine foam. I think it's going to start taking off the part that we want. So now let's go back with the ticker towel and see if we can make some finalizing progress on here. This is going to be an item of delicate balance from here on out, because we are starting to take away the ink as well. Well, that might be all we can do on the label. Let's see if we can get some of the rest of it off and bring the whole thing back to the way it should be. This is a very thick coating of paint that's on here. I think this is going to end up being one of those tasks I do over the course of a couple days, because this is very tedious. But I'm glad that we developed a method, and now we at least know what's going to work. Yeah, the melamine foam with the isopropyl alcohol works pretty good. It's just very tedious. But this is definitely a Lake Breeze branded fan, and I think we're going to be able to get at least most of the logo back.